Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately with the instrument in playing position and relaxed support. Use steady, loose air and a tongue gesture like a light D against the upper teeth. This creates the rolling action. Once done, play a long tone at a comfortable low note and attempt a single flutter by quickly repeating that tongue stroke without stopping the airflow. Make sure to keep the embouchure stable and do several repetitions until the tongue motion is consistent and the tone doesn't break. Now build speed and consistency through measured practice. Once you can single flutter reliably, set a metronome at 60 and do repeated tongue strokes on quarter notes, then gradually raise tempo to maintain the flutter. Apply the motion across scales and slurred passages so the effect works in musical context. Make sure to keep the embouchure stable and jaw relaxed. Reducing tension preserves tone and endurance. If the flutter fades in higher notes, back off speed and focus on air support while maintaining the same tongue motion. Finish by integrating the flutter into phrases and dynamics so it sounds musical, not gimmicky. Once comfortable, experiment with softer and louder flutters, rhythmic patterns, and using it as an ornament within a line. Make sure to listen back, recording highlights, pitch shifts, or unevenness. If the flutter becomes airy or choppy, slow the tongue motion, reinforce breath support, and isolate the tongue on a single pitch until smooth. One key troubleshooting tip: when things go
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.